Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you are seeing my video for the first time, please click on the subscribe and subscribe. If you find my video helpful, please give a thumb like. Then you have a question, please drop your comments. On today's video, I'm showing everyone how they can earn money online. Many people have been asking couple of questions that how they can make money. How can they make money online? Is this making money online? Is it magic? Is it real? Making money online, is it a way whereby some people are really making it from there or not? So many people have been thinking about that. So I'm breaking it down. How you can earn money online? Number one, if you want to earn money online, number one, you have to start what they call a blog. To start a blog is not something that difficult. So if you want to make money online, first you can start with a blog. I go to blogger.com, then create an amazing blog. You creating an amazing blog, there are some tools there. It is absolutely free. It's not something that is difficult, and it's not something you can you start applying some method. No. Let's say for instance now I already have a blog here, but let's say I want to create a new blog. So I choose new blog. I'm coming. I choose blog. Then you title whatever you want to name your blog. So I title my blog. This is the part one of how to earn money online. So part two we'll discuss further. So this part one of it, I'm making an instance. Let's say for instance you create the blog based on airdrop and crypto news. So your blog that will be airdrop and crypto news. So then next, then you have an address. Address means a domain name. So your address might be, let's say like airdrop hub.blogspot.com, or if I'm just using, let's say airdrop hub news. Let me put it right here. Okay, it's available. You can see this blog is available. So you can choose any. If you're having any challenges on that, you can drop your comment. I will suggest a name for you. Then you click save. So processing. So let's wait for it to finish processing. So this is a way you can create a blog. So now I created a blog. Now what you choose next is how do you want your blog to be designed. Then you go on theme. You can see many templates, many themes for you to choose. You can see contempo. I'm coming. It's custom. You click on customize. So you see many templates you can use. So contempo is there. Then see the last one. Let's say I choose this contemporary. You can choose so. You can choose emperor. Many designs are there for you to choose. You can notable. So let's say I'll be choosing this emperor. Emporio. So I choose it. So I'll apply it. So now let me see if this really works on my blog preview. So see exactly how it is. So I already applied. So let's say I head down to my blog to see what I just applied. So airdrop and crypto news. So this is my profile. So now you will make a design. I mean, you already apply your template. So the next thing for you is just to create a menu. You get down, make sure you have a menu, a genuine menu. That okay. For instance, this airdrop and crypto news. I should put news. I put new. So this airdrop and crypto news. So if I'll be creating menu for it, I'll head down to layout. Then I'll add my menu. I'll be showing that on my next video when I'll be having time for this. So after you create a good blog, the next thing for you is to buy a domain. Get a domain name. You can get a domain name from godaddy.com. You can also get from qserver, qserver.nl.org, and other sites like that. Make more research on how you can get them in your country. Currently, I'm in Nigeria, and I use qserver. The domain name is your identity. A custom domain is what your blog will be called. Like now, I own physinews.com.ng. So it's a domain name, physinews.com.ng. This is a domain name. So I go on it. So this is my own domain name. So it's my brand. Your domain name is your brand. So work on that. Once you get your domain name, connect it to your blog. Let it be like this. If you have any challenges on how to connect that, let me know. I'll make a video. I'll buy a domain name, then I'll make a video on how you can do it. So I'll be using Nigerian domain name because I'm based in Nigeria. But if you're in another country, drop your comment. I will be teaching you how you can do that. Just choose the platform you use in getting your domain. Then next we can work on that together. After you get your custom domain, make sure you start. Make sure you have a content. Your content is your work. Your content gives you more way to can make money. So now when you get your content, make sure you keep posting at least 3 to 4 times in a week based on your niche. Other things, SEO, SEO, which is search engine optimization, and others, we'll be discussing that further. So just make sure that you have your content available, and all this here is a menu. This here is a menu. This here is a menu, and this here is also a menu. So I'll show you how to create that. Drop your comment if you really need all this. Then when you get a blog, so it's next for you to monetize. There are many ways you can monetize. You can monetize with Google AdSense. You can monetize with Edistran. Like now, I have an Edistran account I use on this blog. Let me just I blog Edistran. Is blog I blog. So sign up as a publisher on Edisira, then generate your code and paste it on the blog. If you're having any difficulties on this, please drop your comment. I'm making this video purposely because many people are confused on how they can make money on it. I'm going to open my Edisira. It's long I work on this site, and it's blog I didn't even monetize that my blog. It is unmonetized. It's a blog I abandoned. It's a blog I abandoned for like almost 6 to 7 months now. I don't have time for it because of my YouTube channel and other things. So let me open my Edisira and then let me log into it so you can see how much I accumulate, I earn for Edisira. It's not Edisira alone. I also use pop what are they calling this? Money tag. I'll also open my money tag to see how much I've earned so far. So let me wait for this to show the verification tick. Then I'll log in. Then you see how much I've made so far on Edisira. It's just a small petty money based on I abandon this. I don't use. So you get a code from there and paste it on your blog, on your costume, on the blog you created. So now you can see that I'm adding $17 at my balance here. Let me zoom it. Based on long time posting, you can see I'm adding $17 here. If I feel like withdrawing this, I'll get to withdraw. So to send traffic, you click reactivate. Next, your ADA unit is stable. Blah blah blah. You can see. I abandoned this. So you can make money on this. You can earn money online in many ways. This is the part one aspect of it. I'll be discussing further on this. If you have any question, please feel free to drop your comment. Let me show you my money tag, the one I also abandoned. That is a platform I use in monetizing my blog that I abandoned for a long period of time. So there's many ways you can earn money. Like this is one of it. Let me put a money tag. So you see how much I earn there too. Let me log in. I'm coming. Let me log in. So for quality, because I show what I show you on how you can create a blog and other thing. What I show you there is just a follow domain. If you want a quality domain like the one I show you on my Physinews novels, that the Physinews domain, you can see I make $9.70. Let me zoom it again. You can see. And it's something I abandoned for a very long period of time. I don't have time for blogging. I post them. So you can start making online, you can start earning money online by blogging. Make sure your content is there. So when you have your content there, then apply, sign up as a publisher. If you're having any difficulties on this, I'm available to render help. I will put a stop on this. I'll put a pause on this. I will continue next time. This is a long time lecture, but this particular video I made on how you can earn money online is apply it, start working on it, and start making money. And mind you, don't start blog. Don't say that because you want to earn money online, you need a fast money. Is now rushing and create blog. No. It take a time. But as far as you have what they call traffic. Traffic means people that visit your blog. You can share your blog if you have a good content. You can share your blog on Facebook, on Twitter and on Instagram and other places to showcase your blog. The more audience you have, the more money you make. And most other things you can do in expanding your blog audience is what they call search engine optimization, SEO. We'll be discussing about that later, I mean probably in the future. So if people go search your blog, you'll be able to see it. You'll be able to they'll be able to find your blog. They'll be able to get into your blog and solve what is there, and you can generate enough fund for yourself. Don't put your mind that okay, you'll be getting money faster. No. If you want to make money faster, you have traffic. You can get traffic. And how you can get traffic, I'll also show you how you can do it. If you have your money, you are not paying me, I will show you a platform whereby you can just put what you offer, your blog, what you offer your blog, your niche, paste it on banner, pay the site, then start generating more views on your blog. I'll be making a full stop right here. If you find my video helpful, please feel free to subscribe and feel free to share. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.